Bitcoin is doing exactly as predicted, the swipe and the move up, and this is what is coming next for Bitcoin because history is repeating itself over and over again. Ethereum just hits new all-time highs after we predicted this perfect retest there, and this is the next move for Ethereum. So let's dive right away into the charts, but first of all, please make sure to like this daily update videos and subscribe over on my YouTube channel and follow me over on X. And let's dive into the chart for now, because what we can see, and we've been talking about this a lot in my previous videos, you can literally watch them. I literally called this move for days here, and it is exactly happening here. What we saw is a swipe towards the upside, and I have talked about it. Every single time we got a swipe to either the upside or towards the downside, we get that next leg towards the upside. We take people out of the market, and that's exactly what we want to be doing here. So we saw that swipe towards the upside and a move towards the downside. This was the level that I wanted to be swiped, and I literally talked this exact level for days here. You can watch it back in the previous videos. We perfectly swiped, so we came below it for a little sec, and after that, with ejection hole speech, we pumped towards the upside. So a massive trade, this was it, and literally we were calling it live over on YouTube here. So that's why you need to follow me. Also, what is next for now? We are currently retesting. We had some resistance at this side here, but we are gaining some very important price action. So I think that we can go down a little bit, scoop up some orders, because in this big candle there are not a lot of orders. So we need to fill this up, pick up the orders before moving further towards the upside. Also, if we historically are looking at the Jackson Hole speech, we can actually see that the month after the Jackson Hole speech, we literally went literally to the moon here. And that is exactly what we have been predicting for this Jackson Hole speech too. What we are seeing most likely after the Jackson Hole speech, we got something like a consolidation period or just a little volatility period, but after that we bump towards the upside. That is something I expect right now, but in the end of the day we will pump towards the upside, and I think 145k is literally in the books there. Also, if you look at Ethereum, we have been calling this perfect retest right before it happens, when price was there. We have been calling that it's a great time to buy Ethereum. You can look that back in the previous videos. But right now we have been bouncing from off that level pretty hard. We saw a pump of approximately 17%. And with that, Ethereum set a new all-time high of approximately $4,900, and we have been predicting this whole move towards the upside here. We have been literally calling this fake out towards the downside, this perfect retest. Then this resistance was something we've been talking about, and this support was a really big thing we talked about right before it happens, and that is the reason why you want to be following me over on YouTube. Then what we have been seeing on Ethereum was this pattern, and I said if we break out towards the upside, we can enter along. But unfortunately, we broke out at the Jackson Hole speech, and we didn't have a clear retest for this one. Right now, we are still compressing, so we push towards the upside. We are consolidating, compressing, which is a really good sign. But for now, this little breakout can bring you a little small trade. Don't run this one as a swing trade, because it is really risky to maybe go down towards these levels. But right now we are currently sitting in this squeeze, and yeah, you can also anticipate on this one as well. Of course, it's weekend, it's Sunday, so the volatility will be lower than other days. But yeah, please make sure to make the right decisions, and this is the data Ethereum is showing us right now. And that was it for today's short video. Please make sure to follow me over on X and subscribe over on my YouTube channel to never miss something into crypto ever again. And then I will see you tomorrow by a longer crypto daily update video.